In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stretch multiple objects in AutoCAD. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, understanding how to stretch objects efficiently is a crucial skill that can save you time and enhance the precision of your designs. To begin with, you'll want to select the object or objects that you wish to stretch. It's important to be thorough in your selection because only the highlighted objects will be affected by the stretch command. To select these objects, you can simply click and drag your mouse to encompass everything you need, or hold down the Shift key while clicking on each individual item. This ensures you've grouped all the necessary elements together. Once you have your objects selected, it's time to initiate the stretching process. To do this, go to your command line at the bottom of the AutoCAD interface and type in the word stretch. After typing, hit that Enter key to execute the command. What this does is it sets up AutoCAD to perform a stretching action on the selected group. If you don't see the command line, you might need to enable it from your settings, as it's a fundamental tool for executing commands directly. Next, you'll need to choose a base point. This is pivotal because the base point acts as the anchor for your stretch. Simply click on your desired base point with your mouse. It's typically a good idea to choose a spot that aligns well with how you want your objects to expand. Once set, you'll notice the selected objects begin to stretch in relation to the base point you've chosen. This allows you to control the direction and extent of the stretch to suit your design needs. During this stage, ensure that all objects intended to be part of the stretch operation are included in your initial selection. If by chance you miss some, you might end up with your design looking a bit off from what you had envisioned. AutoCAD excels in detail manipulation, so taking advantage of this can lead to greater accuracy in your projects. One of the great features of AutoCAD is its capability to stretch multiple objects simultaneously. This feature is particularly useful when working on complex assemblies, or when you need to maintain consistent spacing between elements as you adjust their positions. It's a time-saving technique that, once mastered, becomes an indispensable part of your skill set in AutoCAD. And there you have it. Stretching multiple objects can seem intimidating at first, but with these steps, it's a breeze. It's a straightforward process that becomes second nature with just a bit of practice. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep designing smarter, not harder.